Believe Your Belief by HissanAK. Believe your belief, my heart's steady pulse. You are the anchor that holds me, the calm in the rush. More precious to me than all the doubts that creep, sweeter to my soul than the comforts I seek. You whisper truths that echo in my mind's ear, of strength in every trial, of hope that's yet to appear. You guide me to rise, to walk the unknown road. In the darkness, shine like a beacon's gentle load. In moments of despair, you are my whispered prayer, a gentle reminder that I'm not alone, I'm not unaware. You speak of possibilities, of dreams yet to unfold, and in the silence, my heart begins to hold. Believe your belief, my spirit's steady flame. You are the spark that lights my way, the fire that remains, more vital to me than the air I breathe, dearer to my dreams than the fears that I leave. You urge me to walk, to stumble, to rise anew, to find the lessons hidden in life's trials true. You whisper secrets of resilience and might, and in the silence I find my guiding light. Believe your belief in the darkest of nights. You are the star that shines, the light that takes flight. You guide me through the shadows to the morning's golden glow. In the dawn, my heart begins to know. In the depths of my soul, you reside and reign, a constant reminder of the strength that I contain. Believe your belief when the world outside is loud. You are the whisper that calms, the gentle breeze that's proud. You remind me of my worth, of the beauty I hold. In the stillness, my heart begins to unfold. Believe your belief when the world outside is loud.